We get so many questions asking how the Easy Petrol Post Driver works and how it differs from the other machines on the market. We start with the engine. We've got Honda options. We've got 4-stroke, Honda GX35 or Honda GX50. That's giving us an RPM of about 7,000. That is rotating, and then we've got a gearbox in here. From the gearbox, that's then converting to a cam and a conrod and all these bits in here, and I'll show you that on our cutaway machine instead. We've then got a piston that's moving up and down. That's then powering the hammer that's then doing the good bit where it's hammering the post into the ground. Imagine this is the engine spinning at 7,000 RPM. And in here we've got our gearbox, so set of gearing cogs and ratios. If I rotate that, what we've got in there is a conrod rotating this upper piston. And this upper piston can be made of plastic because there's no connection between the drive and the hammering part, which is down here. So this bit of perspex that's in here is indicating the real magic, which is the air compression. This machine, this entire cylinder here is an air compression sleeve. While this piston's moving up and down, it's sending an air compression down to this piece here, which is now the hammering section. So we've got what we call the top hammer. Then there's a full set of damping bits and bobs in here. And that top hammer is hitting the hammer that's then touching the post. So this hammer here, this orange bit, is actually looking like this. So this is that part that's running all the way up there. And that hammer then is hammering at 1,700 beats a minute. So we've gone from 7,000 RPM up here with the engine, through the gearbox to 1,700 beats a minute at the hammer. The way the machine then works, you're holding your machine on top of the post and you're just holding it down. Just the weight of the machine, about 5-10 kilos, because you holding the machine down on top of the post is then returning the hammer up for its next strike. We then move on to adapters. So we're wanting a snug fitting adapter, and that adapter is meaning that it's holding the post nice and flush so that when that hammer is striking the top of the post, it's striking it flush and central every time. It's like when you whack a sledgehammer and you hit the top of your post, flush in the centre, it goes in really well. That's what we're doing 1,700 times a minute. The way it differs from some of the other machines on the market is this magic air compression bit. So a lot of the cheaper models don't have this air compression. They're a connected drive, so what you're going to get with that is a lot more wearing parts. There's a lot more impact. So with this machine, we've got no connection between the posts and the engine and the drive. So we've got very little servicing requirements. Got a series of O-rings, and under this chamber here, we've got a grease chamber. And as long as we keep that tip top, we service it once every 1 to 2 years. Your machine is going to do 10 years plus. These machines are built for a lifetime.